If you notice these 4 witchcraft activities around your house, do this immediately. Yes, I'm going to be breaking down the 4 witchcraft activities that are done and people think it's normal and it is not normal. Yes, so once you notice any of these activities being done around your house or inside your house, you have to do this immediately because these activities are meant to manipulate you. These activities are meant to bring bad energies around you. You will never be happy no matter how. You will never have peace inside that house. So if you notice any of these activities going on around your house or in your house, you are going to do this immediately. I'm going to be telling you what you have to do by the end of this video so that you get rid of them immediately. Because if you have these witchcraft activities around your house, trust me, you'll never be a happy person. You will never have peace at all. Yes, and I'm going to tell you also what these activities mean and why they are here in your house. These activities means there is witchcraft or there is witchcraft activities done around your house. So you have to do this immediately once you notice them. I'm going to be breaking down these 4 activities. Number 1, strange sounds. In case you notice any strange sounds inside your house, around your house, you notice people calling your name but you can't see them, that indicates there is witchcraft around your house. There is witchcraft inside your house or witchcraft activities are going on inside your house. So just notice that anytime someone calls you, you reply to them, they call your name directly and you can't see that person. Those spirits are meant to trace your soul. Anytime they call your name and you reply to them immediately, you are going to fall sick. Yes, you are definitely going to feel negative energies around you. That indicates there is witchcraft activities that are being done around your house. Number 2, footsteps. Yes, footsteps around your home, footsteps inside your home. That indicates that your house is being haunted. There is something wrong that is definitely going on inside your house. Some of us will buy houses randomly. You buy something that you don't know. You have no idea what was there before. You have no idea if someone was killed in that house, someone was killed in that place, or you was just stolen and you just buy something. And in future, after you building your house, after doing everything, you start living in that house and you find out that you have no peace at all. You start getting problems. You start being sick. You start like everything goes bad on your side. That means there is witchcraft activities around that place. There is witchcraft activities inside that house. So you have to do this immediately in order for you to get rid of it. Otherwise, you will never have peace and you will never be happy, because this is a place where you're going to spend most of your time. And in case there is things like this happening, footsteps that you don't see, people calling you that you don't see, you will never be happy at all. That indicates there are witchcraft activities that are being done in that house or that were done before. So you have to do this immediately in order for you to get rid of it. Okay, and this is a notice. Before you buy a property, please make research about it. And before you buy something or before you move into a new house, you have to pray for it. You have to do something in order for you to get rid of the bad energy for people who lived there before, or in order for you to get rid of the bad spirits that are being there, because any place has bad or good spirits living in it. So you have to be careful on what you are moving into. Number 3, this is one of the most dangerous witchcraft activities that you can see and notice there is something wrong within that house. There is something wrong within that area. And this makes some people to shift, because this is very dangerous. If you notice strange multiple animals moving in your house, yes, every day. For example, you find a snake almost every week. You find a different colored snake, black, white, green snake inside your house. You have to do this immediately. Never relax. That indicates there is witchcraft in that house. That indicates there is something really bad that has been done in the house before. And that indicates that witchcraft activity is going on in that house. It's still going on. There is also monitoring spirits that are put to monitor you to see what you're really up to. Yes. Snakes are one of the most dangerous monitoring spirits that you could ever see and get scared. So if you see a snake like monpole snakes inside your house, just know there is a monitoring spirit with witchcraft going on inside that house. Snakes, cockroaches, rats, lizards. Anytime you look on the wall and you find a lizard, anytime you look in your bedroom, you find a lizard looking at you like this. Yes, I understand rats and cockroaches are common inside the household, but if you see them multiple times, you try to kill them, but again you see them. Number 4, things randomly breaking. Yes, maybe glasses, maybe a plate, maybe like anything, you see things just randomly break. That indicates there is a witchcraft activity that is going on. There is a spirit, there is an invisible spirit that is breaking things, that is inside your house. It sees you, but you can't see it. You have to do this immediately. Those are things that happen into our daily life and people think they are normal, and these are not normal. They indicate some sort of witchcraft that is being done in that house. So there is witchcraft that was placed there before. So you have to do this immediately. You don't have to sit or you don't have to relax. Otherwise, I know you can never find about these activities and still be happy about your place and still be happy about your house. Yes, there is something really wrong within these houses that we just randomly move into the apartments because we don't know who lived there before. A lot of people do sacrifices, and once the sacrifice is done in that place, it stays there forever. It is crying there forever. So whoever comes and lives in that place, you are going to face the accountability of what was done before. So some people, when they are building their properties, they sacrifice humans so that they get money. So you come from nowhere and you rent apartment and you start having problems. You don't know why you're having problems. You don't know why you're getting sick. You don't know why you're losing everything. You don't know why you're always feeling bad energies. But it's just because the apartment you rented that has brought all those problems, because someone did a big sacrifice in order for them to get money. Okay, so if you notice any of those 4 witchcraft activities around your house, around your area, just know there is something wrong. There is witchcraft that was placed there, or there is witchcraft going on. That place is haunted. That place has bad spirits, and you will never have peace unless you do this. So this video, it does not matter if you're a Christian, if you're a Muslim, you have to do this immediately once you notice there is something like that in that place, because you may find that you bought a land that has bad spirits in it. Yes, you bought it a lot of money and you can't resell it. You really love that place, but you have no solution for that. You have to do this immediately. Okay, so you have to find sea salt, new sea salt. I'm going to put a picture of it here so you see how it looks like. Sea salt is one of the most effective and very powerful remedies that does not connect with witchcraft. Sea salt is more effective. That is why before people move into apartments, before people move into new space, new areas, they use sea salt to wipe away the negative energies around, to wipe away all the witchcraft that were indicated. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. You are going to find sea salt and garlic. Sea salt is one of the most powerful remedies that you can ever use on negative energies. Sea salt is very effective and very powerful. Sea salt is used to drive away negative energies. It's used to drive away, to fend off witchcraft. Yes, that is why Every time there is sort of witchcraft, there is always bring sea salt. Because why? Sea salt is very powerful. Yes, it fades away. It's very effective when it comes to use in witchcraft. Okay, so what you're going to do is to get a lot of sea salt and a lot of garlic, mix them in water together. Even if you indicate witchcraft activities around your business, in your business, you have to do this too. Yes, you have to split this water around your business. Inside your house where you indicate witchcraft activities, spread this water all over your house. You have to do this at least once a day for 7 days. Once a day for 7 days. As you are splitting it, please pray and let it stay overnight. Do not wipe it. Let it stay overnight. And you do the same thing every day. Even when it comes to these monitoring spirits, the rats and cockroaches, you will never see any of them immediately. Once you use garlic and salt, they are very, very powerful. They drive away all the negative energy and they have that scent. Yes, these crawling animals cannot stand the smell of garlic and salt inside your house. Garlic fades away negative energy. So does salt. Yes, these two remedies are very powerful and effective to be used on witchcraft, activities. Just split the water around your house. And if you notice this maybe in your business, you have to do it too. If you notice witchcraft activities, witchcraft into your business, split the water around your business, split the water into your business. Splitting this water, you don't just have to keep quiet. You have to pray about that water. You have to ban the spirits. I know by the special grace of God, bad spirits will run away. All evil spirits will run away from your house. All witchcraft will fade off immediately. All witchcraft activities will fade off immediately, because these are one of the strongest Bible verses that you could ever read above witchcraft, and it fades immediately. Okay, you can also do this inside your house, even if you don't notice any of these witchcraft activities, just for you to feel. Remember to pray as you are splitting this water. Remember to pray above this water. You drive away all the witchcraft, you drive away all the negative energies. Do not sleep on it. Always read it and pray above while you are splitting this water. And let me tell you, you will never ever notice any of those witchcraft activities, because salt and garlic are very powerful. These remedies are made to be used in a spiritual way to drive away evil spirits. They are very powerful when it comes to driving away witchcraft, driving away negative spirits. So you have to use them in a spiritual way, followed with prayers. And let me tell you, you will never ever notice any of these activities done inside your house. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to the Golden Bosom channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and tell them how to act immediately once they notice any of these activities. And support this channel by sending me a super thanks. And remember, I do not request money from anyone, so keep away from scammers. See you in my next video. Bye.